But look what I found. I was digging through my all my little stuff, all my little old computer stuff. This is from like years ago. This is like an adapter, so I won't have to use the port on the motherboard. See, I'm just trying to, preserve the life on the motherboard and not put too much strain on it, so I'm not going to use, see, usually this piece right here will go into that port right there where it says system fan. You see that? There you go. System fan 2. There's a few other ports like that on there. But with this adapter, I can hook this in to the power supply, and then just connect this end to this end, and I'll just be getting the power straight from the power supply instead of going through the motherboard and drawing energy from the motherboard. Let's get this started. Alright, y'all, this is how it looks with the fans installed. Excuse the music. Those lights. See how it looks inside.